Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about something important. Rather, I want to share something very important with you. How would you be interested if I told you that you could start selling your digital products, such as Canva templates, without having to spend any money? Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to spend a single dime on subscription, or you don't have to give your credit card details. You don't have to do any of those things. You can literally get started in just 5 minutes. If you have done your work or you have all your templates ready, you have all your PNG files ready for upload, you can simply go and upload and have your live product on the website immediately, like in literally 5 minutes. Okay, so which platform am I talking about? I'm talking about PayHip. PayHip is a simple, very easy to use, customizable e-commerce platform. Okay, it is a complete solution, and you are able to do a lot of things on this platform, such as you can sell digital products, you can sell subscriptions and memberships, you can sell physical products. Also, you can sell your courses. You can sell your courses, guys. You can sell courses in such a way that you can actually be selling courses like the ones you find in Skillshare and Udemy. It is very powerful, and it is free for all to use. Okay, so when I say free for all to use, there is a catch, of course. It is free, and all the features of this platform is completely accessible to everybody at no cost. However, they will charge a 5% transaction fee when you make a sale. So literally, you make a sale, and if you're selling a product about $10 or so, they will take a 5% transaction fee from that. You don't have to literally spend any money. Rather, you will be earning that money first, and then they will be taking a cut from that. So literally, you are not spending any money to get started. Okay, so once you start getting results and you see a lot of traffic coming in and you are happy with the service, you can actually upgrade. They have two plans. One is the plus plan, which is a $29 per month subscription fee, and then they will take a 2% transaction fee. If you don't want that, you can go for the pro version, which is $99 per month, and they will take 0% transaction fee. That's right, they take 0% when you upgrade to their pro level account. It is a win-win situation for them as well as the people using that platform. Literally, you don't have to spend any money to get started, and when you start seeing results, you'll be more than happy to pay them the subscription fee for a reduced transaction fee. So now that we have that first hurdle out of the way, that is the cost of setting up your business, we can actually see how and why this platform is so powerful. Okay, so firstly, it is very easy to use. You don't have to know any complicated codes or anything. You just can do with simple drag and drop. You can literally press the upload button, upload your files, write a description, upload your PNG files to actually showcase your products. After that, just click on a few checkboxes regarding your taxes and stuff, and after that you can simply click upload and your product is ready to be sold. All right, so that is how easy it is, and they have very secure and easy to track payment system. Secure in the sense that they use PayPal and Stripe. They don't do any payment processing on their end, and you have this option of stamping your customer signature on the products, on the digital products rather, when they download it. If you want that option, you can limit the number of downloads maybe to 2 or 5 or 1 rather. Okay, so you are able to have some form of control on how your product is being sold. All right, now thirdly, this platform is very comprehensive. It is very flexible, and it is very user friendly. One of the very hard part of using platforms such as Shopify, etc., that I find cumbersome is that I have to like market my products, and I have to set up this and that to cross sell and upsell and stuff like that. But you don't have that kind of a hassle with the PayHip. It is very easy, and it is very user friendly. You just have to go into your settings, and from there you have this marketing tab, and when you click on the marketing tab, you will actually see what are the options you have. They have coupons, they have social discounts where you can provide some form of discount when your customers share your link or the product on their Facebook page, for example. Okay, so and you are able to upsell, you are able to cross sell, and you are also able to set up your own affiliate program with PayHip. It is literally everything is in one place. You don't have to go all over the place or install other plugins or sign up for other apps to integrate with their system. It's all there. It is just waiting for you to use it. Another thing that I love about this platform is that you get paid immediately. You don't have to wait for a threshold or anything like other, like maybe print on demand websites or Etsy or whatever, that you don't have to wait for a threshold for your money to come into your bank. So you get paid immediately. One more feature that I love about PayHip is that we have this option to set up multiple blogs. Okay, I have two blogs on my website, and one of the blog is for me to write my contents, and another blog I use it to showcase my other products that I sell on other platforms. So that also acts as a secondary shop to my website. You can link your custom domains. There is no issue with that, so it will look like a very professional website once you're done with it. The store builder is very simple to use, and it's very customizable. It's very user friendly. They have all the options, all the necessary things that you will need to set up a website, and it is very easy to use, and it is not all over the place. It's all in one place, and you will have it. It will be a breeze for you to set up your website and start selling immediately. I literally took just 30 minutes to actually list my first product because I was setting up all the other things, and once my product was up, I was seeing traffic like almost immediately. Once my product is listed and live on the website, I was given a link immediately to that product page. I was able to copy that and paste it on my Excel worksheet where I normally keep all the details of my uploads or my product links, etc. Okay, so once I've done that, I actually went into the product page and scrolled all the way down, and they had this option for me to share that page directly onto Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So I actually did all of those, and I was actually seeing traffic pouring in. PayHip allows you to install the tracking code from Google Analytics so that you can have a very comprehensive view of all your analytics, where your traffic is coming from, where the bounces are happening, which pages are being visited the most, etc. They do have an analytics page of their own, which shows you where the traffic is coming from, and like how many people visited your page, etc. They even show you a heat map of where the saturation is happening and where the majority of your visitors are coming from. So it is actually useful. I don't want to go into an in-depth analysis or a step-by-step guide on how you can use PayHip. However, I will actually do a video on that in the near future. What I wanted to do with this video, what I wanted to achieve was that I wanted to bring to your attention that such a easy platform exists, and you should not wait to sell your digital products anymore. If you are saying you don't have money, or you don't have the expertise to set up a website, etc., don't hesitate any further. Use PayHip. It is very easy to use, so just get started, start getting your first sale, and then everything will fall in place from there. So I suggest all of you really try out PayHip because you have nothing to lose. So I will be leaving a link in the description box below. It is an affiliate link, and I will receive a small commission if you choose to use that link to actually go and sign up on their website. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.